Wait, what is this? There's water here. Is it a river? But it's not flowing. Turns out it's actually a moat, and it's connected to the sea. This is Takamatsu Station in Japan. Just a short walk from here, there's a small local station called Takamatsu. And the strange water? I found it right next to the station. Turns out, this place is part of an old castle site. It's called Tamamo Park. It's actually the only castle moat in Japan filled with seawater. And yes, there are rare sea fish swimming in it. Pretty unique, right? If you enjoy these kinds of discoveries in Japan, feel free to follow along. Matane!